Hi, hello, welcome to Vidyapeedam. This is Nitya, and in this video we are going to see where is the biosphere reserves are located in India. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get the notification when I am uploading a new video. So let us start today's section. So let us see what is biosphere reserves. In terms of area, it is a huge because the national park and wildlife sanctuaries are reside inside the biosphere reserve. It is a combination of land, water and atmosphere. Biosphere reserve is an international designation by UNESCO for representative part of natural and cultural landscape extending over a large area of terrestrial or coastal marine ecosystem or a combination of both, and some of the economic human activities are allowed in the biosphere reserves like mining. In biosphere reserves in India, there are 18 biosphere reserves in India. First one, Coal Desert, it is located in Himachal Pradesh. Next one, Nanda Devi, it is in Uttarakhand. Kanchenjunga, Sikkim. Dehang Debang in Arunachal Pradesh. Manas and Dibru-Saikhowa in Assam. There are 2 biosphere reserves in Assam. Nokrek, Meghalaya. And these 7 biosphere reserves are located in the region of Himalaya. Next one, Panna, Madhya Pradesh. Panchmari, Madhya Pradesh. Ajhan Kamar Amarkandak, it is located in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Okay. So first one, Coal Desert, it is in Himachal Pradesh. HC, High Court, you can connect like that. Nanda Devi and Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi, UN, United Nations. Then Kanchenjunga, Sikkim. Dehang Debang in Arunachal Pradesh. Manas, Assam. Dibru-Saikhowa, Assam. Nokrek, Meghalaya. These 7 are located in the region of Himalaya. Panna and Panchmari, it is located in Madhya Pradesh. Ajhan Kamar Amarkandak, it is located in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Next one, Rann of Kutch or Gyan Bharati. Rann of Kutch or Gyan Bharati, it is located in Gujarat and it is the biggest or largest biosphere reserves in India. Simlipal, Odisha. Sundarban, West Bengal. Sheshachalam, Andhra Pradesh. Agasthyamala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. It is situated in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Nilgiri, it is situated in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and it is the first biosphere reserve in India. Gulf of Mannar, it is located in Tamil Nadu and it is the first marine biosphere in India. Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu. Great Nicobar, it is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Rann of Kutch or Gyan Bharati, it is located in Gujarat. Simlipal, Odisha. Sundarban, West Bengal. Sheshachalam, Andhra Pradesh. Agasthyamala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Nilgiri, it is located in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu. Great Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. There are 18 biosphere reserves in India. For Coal Desert, Himachal Pradesh. Nanda Devi, Uttarakhand. Kanchenjunga, Sikkim. Dehang Debang in Arunachal Pradesh. Manas and Dibru-Saikhowa in Assam and Nokrek in Meghalaya. Panna and Panchmari, it is located in Madhya Pradesh. Ajhan Kamar Amarkandak, it is located in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Next one, Rann of Kutch or Gyan Bharati, it is located in Gujarat and it is the largest area. Simlipal, Odisha. Sundarban, West Bengal. Sheshachalam, Andhra Pradesh. Agasthyamala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Nilgiri, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and it is the first biosphere in India. Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu, and it is a first marine biosphere reserve in India? Great Nicobar, it is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next, we can see the important MCQs on biosphere reserves in India. The first question, the Biosphere Reserve Program launched by the UNESCO, A. 1970, B. 1972, C. 1974, D. 1976. So the Biosphere Reserve Program launched by the UNESCO in 1972. Option B is the correct answer. Next question, consider the following statements and select the correct answer. Statement 1, in India, the UNESCO Man and Biosphere, that is MAP program, was started in 1986. Statement 2, the Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve was the first biosphere reserve in India. So in India, the UNESCO Man and Biosphere, that is MAP program, was started in 1986. The second statement, the Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve was the first biosphere reserve of India. Options are only 1 is correct, only 2 is correct, both 1 and 2 are correct. Option D, neither 1 nor 2 is correct. So the both the statements are correct. It is started in 1986 and Nilagiri is the first biosphere reserve in India. So option C is the correct answer. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Next question, the first biosphere reserve in India. Option A, Manas. Option B, Agasthyamala. Option C, Nilagiri. Option D, Panna. So the first biosphere reserve in India is Nilagiri in 1986, August 1. It is 1986, August 1. Option C is the correct answer. The first biosphere reserve in India in Nilagiri. The 18th biosphere reserve in India is option A, Panna. Option B, Simlipal. Option C, Cold Desert. Option D is Nanda Devi. So 18th biosphere in India is option A, Panna. A is the correct answer. Next question, which is the largest biosphere reserve in India? Option A, Gyan Bharati or Rann of Kutch. Option B, Gulf of Mannar. Option C, Agasthyamala. Option D is Panchmari. So which is the largest biosphere reserve in India? Gyan Bharati or Rann of Kutch is the largest biosphere reserve in India. Option A is the correct answer. Which is the smallest biosphere reserve in India? Option A, Gyan Bharati or Rann of Kutch. Option B, Dibru-Saikhowa. Option C, Agasthyamala. Option D is Panchmari. So smallest biosphere reserve in India is Dibru-Saikhowa and option B is the correct answer. It is located in Assam. Option B is the correct answer. Which is the first marine biosphere reserve in India? Option A, Gyan Bharati or Rann of Kutch. Option B, Gulf of Mannar. Option C, Agasthyamala. Option D is Panchmari. So the first marine biosphere reserve in India is Gulf of Mannar and it is located in Tamil Nadu. Option B is the correct answer. Next we can see Man and Biosphere Program or MAP program. The MAP program is an international scientific program that aims to establish a scientific basis of enhancing the relationship between people and their environment. It is combines the natural and social science with a view to improving human livelihood and safeguarding natural and managed ecosystem. Thus, promoting innovative approaches to economic development that are socially and culturally appropriate and environmentally sustainable. The World Network of Biosphere Reserve currently counts 701 sites in 124 countries all over the world, it including 21 transboundary sites. So the MAP program, it initiates or enhancing the relationship between people and that is the human beings and their surroundings. There are 701 sites in 124 countries all over the world. That is the Man and Biosphere program or MAP program. There are total 11 biosphere reserves of India which have been recognized internationally under Man and Biosphere Reserve program. The first one, Nilagiri, that is the first to be included. Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Nanda Devi, Nokrek, Panchmiri, Simlipal, Ajahn Kamar Amarkandak, Great Nicobar, Kanchenjunga. Nilagiri, it is located in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Gulf of Mannar, it is located in Tamil Nadu. Sundarban, it is located in West Bengal. Nanda Devi, it is located in Uttarakhand. Nokrek, it is located in Meghalaya. Panchmiri, it is located in Madhya Pradesh. Simlipal, it is located in Odisha. Ajahn Kamar and Amarkandak Biosphere Reserve, it is located in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Great Nicobar in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Agastya Mala, it is located in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Kanchenjunga, it is located in Sikkim and it is added under Man and Biosphere Reserve program in 2018. There are 11 biosphere reserve of India which have been recognized internationally under MAP program. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos and see you soon in the next video. Bye.